whether you're doing marketing, whether you're in procurement, whether you're, in conferences, building, setting up conferences, doing podcasts, right? There's a lot of opportunity to bring existing skills or whatever your passion is. You're in computer science or chemistry or gaming. I mean, I built a VR application. We can talk about that later. But
very cool.
So, I think there's a lot of opportunity, a lot of different ways to think about quantum computing, and it really depends on the person and where do they want to go in quantum computing, and what mechanism they can use to go from point A to point B. And really, I think everyone's journey is going to be a little different. I mean, I've not seen two people that have the same journey in quantum computing.
I think what you touch on is really good. And I'm glad you're here because you're one of the few people, probably the first guest we really had, that has an equal footing in academia as well as industry. People with 50-50 ratios there are pretty rare anyway. But, when you think back to the early days of classical computing, right, it was largely the electrical engineer types and people soldering wires together.